Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to turn on Google Safe Browsing. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome. And at the top right, you can see this three dot icon. You need to click over here. And here now, simply click on Settings. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. And at the left side, you can see various options. You need to click on Privacy and Security. And once again, you will be led to this kind of interface. Now simply scroll down and there you can see the option security. You need to click over there. And here you can see three options: enhanced protection, standard protection, and no protection not recommended. Now you can choose any one of them, which is enhanced protection or standard protection. The both does the same work. However, the standard protection protects against sites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous. If a site does something suspicious, full URLs and bits of page content are also sent. And your Google Safe Browsing is now turned on. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.